Listen up and laugh. The best things don't come from rushing. They come from patience, from going low and slow until perfection emerges. Today on Southern Eats, we're unlocking the secret to the crispiest, juiciest oven-roasted chicken wings you've ever tasted. No deep fryer, no mess. Just pure, blistering crisp skin that shatters with every bite. We're using the magic of baking powder and a low and slow method that renders the fat perfectly, then blasts it to golden glory. Dry rub for bold southern flavor, or toss in your favorite sauce. These wings will change your game day forever. If you're ready to level up your cooking game, stay with me. Let's do this. Greatness takes time. Just like building strength, building crisp skin on wings requires strategy. Most people bake wings hot and fast. They end up soggy or dry. But not us. We go low and slow first. 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. This gently renders the fat under the skin, melting it away without drying the meat. Then, we crank the heat to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The skin tightens, bubbles, and turns into that addictive crunch. And the secret weapon? Baking powder. Not baking soda, aluminum-free baking powder. It raises the pH of the skin, drawing out moisture and creating tiny air pockets that blister and crisp like fried wings. Science meets Southern soul. No shortcuts, just results. Trust the process, and you'll be rewarded. Here's everything you need for about 4 pounds of wings. Serve 6 to 8 as an appetizer. 4 pounds chicken wings, party style, flats and drumettes. 2 tablespoons aluminum-free baking powder. 1 tablespoon kosher salt. 2 teaspoons garlic powder. 2 teaspoons onion powder. 2 teaspoons smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon chili powder, or cayenne for heat. Half teaspoon brown sugar for that subtle southern sweetness. Optional for serving. Your favorite sauce: buffalo, barbecue, ranch, or extra dry rub. Simple ingredients, explosive flavor. Step 1. Start with dry wings. Pat them completely dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of crisp. Remove it all. This is your foundation. Build it strong. Step 2. Make the dry rub. In a bowl, combine the baking powder with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, chili powder, and brown sugar. Whisk it together. This rub isn't just seasoning, it's armor for flavor. Step 3. Toss the wings. Add your dried wings to a large bowl or bag. Pour in the rub. Coat every piece evenly. No clumps. Every wing gets the love it deserves. Massage it in. Feel that transformation beginning. Pro tip: for even crispier results, place the coated wings uncovered in the fridge for 1 to 8 hours. Let the air dry them further. Patience pays off. Line a baking sheet with foil, place a wire rack on top, and spray with oil. Arrange wings skin side up, single layer, with space between them. Airflow is key. Now, the magic happens. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the wings on the lower middle rack. Bake low and slow for 30 minutes. Watch the fat render. The meat tenderizes. No rush. This is where average wings fail and legends are born. After 30 minutes, increase to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Move to upper middle rack if needed. Bake another 40 to 50 minutes. Flip halfway if you want even browning. You'll hear it before you see it. That sizzle. Skin tightening, turning golden, blistering. When they're done, the the internal temp hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit. But trust your eyes. Deep golden, crispy edges, juices running clear. Remove them. Let them rest 5 minutes. Strength comes from restraint. These wings stand tall on their own. That dry rub delivers smoky, garlicky, slightly sweet heat, pure southern perfection. Or take them further. Toss halving buffalo for classic fire, drizzle barbecue for sticky sweetness, dip in ranch for cool contrast. The choice is yours. But one bite and you'll know. This is next level. Crispy outside, juicy inside, flavor that hits deep. Game day, family dinner, late night craving? These wings deliver every time. You didn't rush. You trusted the process. And now, you have wings that rival any restaurant. This is what happens when you commit to the low, to the slow, to the crisp. If this fired you up, hit that like button. Subscribe to Southern Eats for more game-changing recipes. Drop a comment, dry rub or sauced. And tag @WatchSouthernEats when you make these. Keep grinding in the kitchen. Great things take time. We'll see you in the next one.